Hi. Yesterday, I thought the causeway carried brown water discharge. Today, I believe it's a vacuum tube. For two reasons. The first reason is that yesterday the mouth was too small, I feel. And the other reason is that, as per my other theory, the Osiris shaft has had the presence of vacuum there. So for those two reasons, here's my new plan. A is the well water below the alluvial plain. B is the straw. C is the mouth. D is the trachea. E is the lung. F is the brown water. That's my new plan. And I really believe that because, there's a lot of brown water and it creates a lot of suction for a long time. Once a year you get a whole